the beauty skyline this morning. Mountains. And I'm already up in the mountains. Just left the house. It's a little after 6 a.m. I'm on my way to breakfast with the fellas. And hey, I hope everybody has a good Thursday morning. Tramp Scotty. It's the name of the channel. He had about 80,000 subscribers, lost the channel. They gave him his channel back, but he lost all the subscribers and all of his videos, but 2. So, if you can, go give him a sub. This is the well-known blue mule that he travels the country with. He goes deep down into Mexico with it, thousands of miles past the border into Mexico. And all these years she's been doing it, she's had no problem. Always got along with everybody. We're going to talk about that in a minute with Scotty. This here is the new bike. 16,000 original miles. All original. What we call unmolested. Pipes, everything are factory pipes. Very nice bike. Very nice. All original. One owner. This is the new bike that will be traveling to all the conventions and everything else. Also, if you like reading books, he's got a book out, which I'll leave a link to, or show a video of it or something like that, so you can go check out if you're interested in it. Really cool deal. But we're going to talk to Scotty a minute here. Scotty?
Well, you know what?
Let me pull the damn.
Let me pull the switch out. Let's just look at that.
Well, I'm looking at the back of it. You got something plugged on there. We're trying to figure out a way to get power to
Just
this
let me pull it
ignition.
out. Let me see.
Look at this, you guys. This crap is all fuel injection shit. It's completely unnecessary. All this to replace a carburetor. Carburetors are a little finicky. You have to learn how to choke them to start them yourself, and they don't adjust themselves to altitude like these fuel injectors. My God, and you know, carburetors will cough and buck sometimes a little bit. But what you fucking give for what you get's a pretty shitty goddamn deal. Look at this crap. And then there's a big old computer over here, and then there's all these fucking sensors to get rid of a simple piece that's this big that we have extra
Let me
ones.
get up there.
If there was a carburetor problem here, here's these. I left that yellow thing there. If it was a carburetor problem, here, I could get another one and put it on, or just fix it. You know, you can fix it. Maybe not pull it off a little piece this big to replace all that bullshit. Fuel injection is a poor excuse for carburation, as far as I'm concerned.
Exactly.
Poor excuse.
Hey, Scotty, Bill. Good
How
to
you
see you.
doing, Bill?
That's all right. Been a while.
What you been doing, man?
Working, riding. You know, we got.
retired or something?
I'm sporting like a fool. I'm retired.
This is the owner of the bike here. What carburetor you got on this? S&S? Right on.
Anyway.
Best carburetor, one of the best carburetors out there for the Harleys.
Yeah, Scotty don't like it. He don't like nothing.
Exactly. Alright, so I just left my buddy Scotty at the motorcycle repair shop, Mountain Cycle Works, and this is going to be the end of the video. It's going to be a 2-part video, so I hope everybody, you know, gives me a like, you know, and a follow, hits the little bell for all the notifications. Gonna have more motorcycle stuff and you know, camping, riding type stuff coming. So if you would follow, like, and subscribe and share it if you like it. Leave me a comment if there's something you want to see, you know, that's in the Smoky Mountains or Blue Ridge Mountains, Parkway, you know, whatever. Just let me know. All right. Hope everybody has a good day. Peace out.